We're Ashley and Christian. We are currently driving the ring road around Iceland. After exploring the Golden Circle and adjusting to living in the van, we are continuing our road trip. The breathtaking views make us feel like we're on another planet, and we're currently en route to see some of the country's most magnificent waterfalls. Come along with us as we explore the amazing country of Iceland.
Figured out 1,000 kronas, not very much. Probably do a little more next time.
There it is!
Oh my gosh, you guys. Is this real life? Birds flying around the waterfall. It's like all scenic. My gosh, that is a gorgeous waterfall.
Just falls off the edge of the mountain.
It almost looks like it's coming from nowhere.
We think that this is pronounced Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss. There's a J. I'll put the name right here. This is one of the most popular waterfalls in Iceland by far. This is the one that we're gonna walk behind, actually. There's like extra little waterfalls coming out on the left side too.
We're officially up by the waterfall.
The waterfall's right here. This is one you can walk all the way up and behind it. And it's not that slippery, it's these like metal steps.
Situated directly underneath the waterfall now, and it is windy and rainy and beautiful. This angle you can see out on all the green landscape out there, it's just breathtaking.
Like it looks like saturation is turned all the way up. Like it looks so unreal, it's so beautiful. Coolest thing we've done so far. We are at the waterfall Glujfrabui, which I know I'm not pronouncing that correctly, I'm so sorry. It is a waterfall inside of a cave, and you can kind of see it back up there. So we're gonna climb through this tunnel right here to get back there. Nothing back there. It's like a little
crawl space.
Like a little crawl space. We are now trying the third walkway, and I'm hoping that this is actually the one with the waterfall in it, because we walked two little trails, but I can hear water in this one, so I have high hopes that this is actually the waterfall walkway. So cool. It was like 5 steps in and you just see it pop up. Otherworldly. I feel like I'm in a Lord of the Rings or something. It is so wet back here. But I think you can actually shower underneath that one. It's just coming down so hard right here. Ah! This is so cool. Come see this waterfall in the cave, don't go up that path and don't go back there. Go all the way over here down and then wade through the little stream a little bit, and that's how you get back there. It's not very secret anymore, but it's so cool.
These little entries that she's talking about here are all dead ends, so you'll see people walk in and they'll just walk right out.
They just want to make sure that you're dedicated by the time you get to it.
Yeah, I guess. Just taking one last look at this amazing waterfall.
A pretty big tip that we have if you're gonna do the ring road is to not have a really tight schedule, because we've only done like 2 of the things on our list for the day and it's already later. But we keep stopping because look at these views. There's just valleys and waterfalls coming down in the middle of the mountains.
Initial thoughts. You might be able to see right behind me, but this is Skogafoss. I just freaked out a little bit because I was like, Ashley, if this isn't our stop, we're stopping here because it's a must, it looks like. Wrap the chips in the cheese. There you go, good idea.
We are at Skogafoss Waterfall, which is 60 meters high, and you can actually take 527 steps on this staircase right here to get a view from the top, which is what we're gonna do first. What about cheese? Gone like 150. That's all. Not very many.
We're about 20 steps away. We have a nice view. I was looking off in the distance there and I was like, wow, those are some really dark blue looking clouds. And then Ashley said, that's the ocean, honey. So I guess it's good to have 2 parts, not just one.
It's worth every single step. Life of Walter Mitty, one of my favorite movies, was filmed in Iceland, not Greenland like they say, and this is one of the waterfalls they use in the movie. So it's so cool being able to see it in person finally after watching that movie probably 4 or 5 times. All of the moving water in Iceland, so make sure that you bring your reusable water. You don't have to buy water anywhere. They have free water everywhere. I think water is their #1 resource, actually. It's so good. Like, it just tastes so pure and cold. It's the best water ever. It's the best water I've ever had.
Water.
The best water I've ever had.
It's the fluid of life, and there's lots of it here in Iceland. All right, for video purposes, I wanted to show you this because once you get in Iceland, you'll figure out that their seatbelt safety laws are a lot more intense than ours. So as you can hear, there's a nice vivid beeping going on currently, and it will intensify if I do not put my seatbelt on. Yep, there it is. As I'm getting ready to put my seatbelt on. This is for video purposes. I'm putting my seatbelt on.